Why would Ben Hartley of the Six Figure Photography podcast say he would give up Lightroom before he would give up Fundy Designer? Well, let me show you. First thing is the album design software. With the built-in auto design, you can design an entire album in just a couple clicks. And then you can make as many adjustments as you want because there's no templates. You can hop into the quick design picker, choose from millions of possible designs. You can adjust the magic drop zones. And then when you're done, you can show that client your designs on the online proofing system or over a sales session. And we'll get to that because that is what helps drive his business to that six-figure mark. You can also hop into the wall design section and design beautiful wall art collections that you can sell for thousands of dollars. And then you can also design their thank you cards, save the date cards, and holiday cards all in one. And within the suite, you also have your sales tools. So you can hop on a Zoom with them. We all love that during COVID. Or you can meet in person if you have a projector or TV in your studio. And you can start off with a slideshow that not only includes their images, but includes those high ticket designs like their album design, parent album design, engagement albums, wall art, studio cards, etc. So that it's a whole package and you can sell them all of your designs within that slideshow and the sales tools. But when he's not working with his clients, he can also use Fundy Designer to design his studio magazines, his marketing cards, gift certificates that he can sell or give out at bridal shows. It's a full package and lets him build a business that doesn't require him shooting every single day on every single weekend. So the next time you're at your computer, head on over to fundydesigner.com, download the free trial, and start designing albums, wall art, and cards that your clients are going to love. Kapow!